Hey everybody, Jordan here, and you are looking at the showpiece of our boat show. You've got the 2026 Veranda VR265 RCP with the color-matched Mercury 300R. I love this sage green exterior with the carbon fiber as well. It is just a super sleek boat. We're going to jump up in the boat to show you the beautiful interior of this guy. Alrighty guys, so we're jumping up in the boat. We have got a ton of great feedback from this boat so far on the show. It is a big boat, but man, it looks nice. You've got the pillow top interior, this upgraded table. I just love the look of this boat. It is a ton of space, super pretty. A lot of upgrades on this. You've got your radio, your Garmin, your gauges. It is a raised helm as well, which is always nice, and you have that in-tune storage. If you have any questions or would like to build something like this, please feel free to reach out and ask for Jordan.